Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I just got this in the mail. Don't mind my nails because I started to do them yesterday, got tired and didn't finish them, so I just left them clear, went to work, and I was going to sit down and do them, but I was like, I need to do this video. So maybe we'll do this video and then I will most likely do my nails. If not, I can do them, I don't know, tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. But I do need to finish them because, hello, they can't just stay like this. No. So I just wanted to give a shout out to AzureBeauty. Thank you for contacting me. Thank you for noticing me in my channel. It is greatly appreciated. Guys, this company got in touch with me and allowed me to... No, they didn't allow me. Did I choose this kit? Now I can't remember. I'm going to have to look. I think that they just sent me this kit. I don't think I picked anything. I'm sorry. I like this box though. Alright. Let's get to it. Okay. So, this kit, I'm just going to, let's see. What should I do? Let me open this up for you guys and then we'll take a peek. Oh, so really quickly, this is a 20-piece, the plus 4 pieces. I'm not sure what that means, but the bottles are 10 grams. No, sorry, not 10 grams, 10 millimeters. The 10 grams are probably the powders. I'm sorry. And then plus 4 pieces. Not sure what that means, so let's get into the box. Okay, so, something fell out. So here we have the instructions. Always helpful. For directions. About color difference. Hello. I can read. The color powder, true color effects, 1 layer 2. Okay, so it's telling you if you dip your powder once, or excuse me, your finger into the powder. I'm sorry, guys. It'll look like this twice and then 3 times. So that's what that is explaining there. And then it says there will also be a slight color difference when, not when you see, but when see, under different light sources or screens. If you think, or excuse me, if you still think that the color difference is unacceptable, please contact us. Can I read? Unacceptable. Please contact us. Oh, wait. Here we go. As you can see in front of you, let me turn it around. So as you can see in front of you, 20 dip powders. I love these colors. I really can't wait to try these beautiful nudes. Look at these gorgeous glitters down here. Ooh, okay. I definitely, oh goodness, should I swatch these? They're so small and I don't want to waste any powder. I don't think I'm going to swatch them. I might just open them up and show you guys. Just because I don't want to waste the powder with them being so small. But this kit comes with a number 1, which is the base. It says it right there. These are 10 milliliter bottles, as you can see. There is a number 2, which is the activator, and number 3, which is a gel top, number 4, which is a brush saver. Somebody help me. I think I'm tired. That's what it is. Brush saver. Okay, there you go. Brush saver. So you can, I guess, clean your brushes with that. I'm not sure. And then there are, I'm assuming there are brushes on, you know, the ends of these. That's why they're there, right? So it's pretty cool because they give you 2 extra ones. Maybe, you know, if your brushes get ruined, that is really, really awesome that they send you 2 extra brushes. There's another one in there. Just in case, you know, your brush gets ruined. That's really thoughtful. I really like that. This is pretty cool. They send you a cuticle pusher. Sorry, guys. A small black file. There is a really nice brush, kind of like a dust brush. It almost looks like a makeup brush, but I don't think it is, obviously. And it looks really, really soft. It just looks like a makeup brush. I'm pretty sure it isn't, but it looks like one. You get a buffer, And what I love is that it brings this. This, if I can get it out. This is when you are pouring, you have your finger here and you're pouring the powder over your finger. The rest, the excess will land in here. That way you're not wasting any of it. And then you can pour it back into the container it came out of. How cool is that? Hello. And I love it because it comes with a lid. Very, very cool. It doesn't go this way. You gotta turn it around. Very cool. Buffer. So this is a 4-step kit. I'm definitely going to try this kit out for sure, but I'm gonna have to make another video because then the video will be super duper long and no one wants to watch. My words can't come out. Nobody wants to watch a super duper long vlog these days, I am noticing. So, or long video. There are ingredients on the back and warnings, as you can see, so pay attention to that. These colors are alright. Let's open a few. I'll open a few. So I do want to mention that each dip powder have a number. You guys see that? Hello, focus. You guys see that, right? 415. Okay, and we're gonna open this up. This is so cute because now I can start my little dip powder collection. I think I have a few dip powders that I've gotten PR, but I don't have many dip powders. Not many at all. So here is this one. It's so beautiful. It does have like little hints of like glitter, but I don't know if that's glitter or that's just like the powder itself. You know what I mean? It just looks so, I don't know. There's so many colors in here that I just can't wait to try, but this one is beautiful. So this one is number 412. Look how beautiful. Super pretty. I really, really like this one. This one is number, I already forgot, 416. Look how beautiful she is. Super pretty. Ooh, can you see that on a nail? Yes. So pretty. Guys, do me a favor. Go to my community tab. And I want to see what you guys think. Because I have, my birthday's coming up and I want to do a set. But I'm trying to figure out what colors to do. So I gave you guys 4 options. Did a little poll. And I'd love to see what you guys, think. So if you were to go to my community tab and just kind of pick the color, I would love to see what colors you all want the most, and that's the set that I'll do for my birthday. This is number 417. Look how pretty these are. I don't even think that, because off camera it looks more beautiful than it does on camera. Not even doing it justice. Look at that. Beautiful. Just stunning. I think these two right here are my favorites so far. Beautiful. Look at that shine. Now this one is number 420, and I think this is going to be my favorite one in the collection. Go figure. I'm going to be doing, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I have some new nail art here, and I need to put away with you guys, and you guys love my organization videos of me putting away all of my nail art. So I think, how did this move away like that? I haven't touched it. I'm going to be placing a Shein order for my birthday. So, and maybe like, birthday spring kind of vibes. And is anybody noticing that the prices on Shein are going up? But it's cool because they throw like little discounts here and there. Let me show you this before I spill it. Look how beautiful. She's so junky. She has like, let me see, pink hexes and yellow. Pink, let me see, big pink hexes, and then there are smaller pink hexes, and there's a lot in there. But I think this is going to be super cute. Super, super cute. Can you dip toes? Can you do dip powder on toes? Sorry if I sound sick. I am, but I'm trying to get better. So excuse the way I sound. But yeah, I think if I open every single one, it'll take forever. Imagine swatching. I could do a separate swatch video. I just wanted to introduce this kit to you. I will leave AzureBeauty their information down below. So if you want to look into this kit and you're interested, I'll make sure to leave their Amazon storefront down below and their website and all of that good stuff down below in the description. So if you're interested, just check that out. And yeah, I want to say thank you again to Azure or Azure. I'm sorry. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it really correctly. Yeah. I can't wait to try out this blue. These colors together is very, very much so spring vibes. Oh. After service card. So, shout out to them for sending me this kit. Sorry, guys. I was just reading that little card. And I think I am going to do a separate video on the rest of these colors to show them to you. And I did want to do swatches, but like I said, maybe I can do really tiny swatches. You know, like really tiny swatches, at least so you can see them swatched. But because, look how small that is. They're so small, I didn't really want to waste powder on a swatch when you guys can see the color here. I know sometimes maybe in powder form it looks different than when it's on the nail. But if you can take a good look at all of these beautiful, I love all these nudes in through here. This is really pretty. Really pretty. I love the purple, kind of lilac vibes. Purple. Really, really pretty. I love these colors here. I've always loved colors like that. This is really pretty as well. That, it's not a blue, is it? I'm pretty sure that's white. I think that's white. But yeah, guys, again, I will leave all of the information down below. I'm going to make sure that these are sealed correctly and probably take these out of here. Because, you know, I don't know. I don't want them unscrewing and then spilling, so I'd rather have them set up somewhere. I need to figure out where they're going to go now, because I need to start like a little powder area. And yeah, stay tuned for a big Shein, not big, but you know, stay tuned for a Shein haul, because I will probably have that coming in the next week or two. And I need to do something with these nails, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm going to be trying to kind of play with more with the silicone hand that I set up, but I need to find some XXL or XXXL tips so that it can fit in my silicone hand and I can not have a problem when I want to file and things like that. So that's what I need to do. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't much of a video. I just wanted to run through this really quickly, but I will be back with a full video of all of these colors so you can see them swatched. If not, I'll just open them up and show you everything. I love that there's a 4-step process. Well, 3-step really, because this is a brush saver. Love that it comes with a brush, a buffer, even a little dish here to recycle the powder after you are done so you don't make a mess everywhere. 2 extra brushes. That is just genius, just in case you mess up a brush or two. Little tiny file. And of course, these brushes over here comes with directions. Complete kit. I don't think you need anything else. Thank you guys. Shout out again to AzureBeauty for sending me this kit. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.